Hello everyone and welcome to the fourth episode in the Learning Python series. And for today's video it's going to be relatively quick and we'll just be talking about comments. Now comments are just a simple way of writing human language, so like your English, it could be any language, but like writing English in a piece of code. Generally the program, it reads the language you're working with. However, with comments, it ignores those, and it's a way that programmers can communicate from one another to explain what their code is doing, and it helps someone because if they look at the code again after some while, they can get a refresher on what they were doing and why they wrote it like that. So we're just going to open PyCharm and explain comments. Open the Learning Python series project. And we're going to create a new file and we'll call it comments. So we're going to just get straight to it. How do you write comments? You just do a hashtag and then anything after that will be ignored by the computer. So this will be ignored by the computer. So anything you can write will just be ignored by the computer. Whatever, it will be ignored. So that's comments. So if I have a print hello world and I want to describe what does this do, I would just type in this prints out hello world to the console output, and simple as that. Now there may be some formatting issues, you just right click and it does it for you, there you go. But yeah, so you don't need to put this in places where you may not understand what is actually going on, or in the future if you want to look back, it's a way to help you say, okay, in this line this is what the code does, and it gives you a bit more detail in a way that, like, instead of just looking at it, you don't, even if you're a good programmer, just looking at a random piece of code, even though you know what all the functions and the loops do all on their own, if you put it all together, every single code is different. So if you have the actual developer tell you what it's doing, it really helps you out to understand. Okay guys, for the final topic of this video, like I said, it's going to be really short. It's just how to write comments. We're going to teach you how to do multi-line comments. So multi-line comments are literally as they sound. They're just comments, but you can span multiple lines. So in order to do this, you just do 3 quotation marks and PyCharm will automatically fill it for you. And inside these quotation marks, you can write anything you want. So this is a comment, and it can be multiple lines. So this has happened to me before. I'm trying to explain a code or like a big piece of code, and I have to write. Sometimes I'm making more than one line, and doing just a bunch of hashtags one after the other is going to get really tedious. So instead you could just do this and you have a multi-line comment. Anyways guys, this video for today is really short, but I just wanted to get the concept of comments across to you, and we will start using them more in our code, so when you look back you can understand what it does. As my daily checklist for you. I hope you have a good day, I hope you program and you're happy. Bye guys.